Welcome, students of Standard 10. Okay. How are your studies going on? कसा चाललाय अभ्यास तुमचा? Okay. Today I am starting with exercise 2.4. Factorization you understood, completing square you understood. You haven't asked any doubt. Okay. If any doubt, write in the comment box, ask. Today another method, that is formula method. Okay, first exercise, actually you have understood how to find out ABC. Still I am revising that and explaining you how to do by formula. See, compare the given quadratic equation, just normal sum, and write the values of ABC. You know actually. See, x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Standard we will write below exactly ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 5, right? Second sum, 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. No, that side must be 0. Shift everything. 5m shifting this side become minus 5m. Minus 5 shifting this side become plus 5. 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. am square plus bm plus c equal to 0 standard. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 5. Everything must be shifted here. Don't just write a is this, here a is b this without shifting everything and equal to 0. Your ABC values would go wrong. And if you go wrong, then answer go wrong. See, y square equal to 7y. Third is here is third term. Anyway, shift. Y square minus 7y. The number is not there. Plus 0 equal to 0. So y, so ay square plus by plus c equal to 0 is standard. A equal to 1. B equal to minus 7. And c equal to 0. So from any equation, quadratic equation, you can find out ABC. Once you find out ABC, the formula, write formula. X or y, whatever m equal, the variable here, variable was x, here variable was m, and here it is y. So whatever the standard x I am writing, x equal to minus b, the b value whatever, plus minus, because one with plus, one with minus, root b square minus 4ac. You better calculate first root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Because first calculate b square minus 4ac. If it is negative, roots are not real only. Under root negative sign, roots are not real. Understanding? I will go ahead with numericals, quadratic equations, solving using formula. Okay. Second sum. First, solve using formula. X square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Yeah, this can be solved using factorization, but when they write solve using formula, use formula only. A, B, C. Find out first. A is 1, B is 6, C is 5. Okay. Then first find out for b square minus 4ac is what? 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Put just values. 36 minus 20, that is 16. Okay. Positive. Okay. Because if this is negative, roots are not real. Now, under root cannot be negative. Okay. Formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b, 6, b is 6. So, minus b is minus 6 plus minus. Under root b square minus 4ac calculated 16. Root 16 is 4. So minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2. So minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 and minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 upon 2 is minus 5. Answer minus 1 and minus 5. Solution. Got? Okay. Second sum. Same. First was clear, could have done by factorization, but you have to obey What is order? Order is solve using formula, then use formula. Or wrong, even if answer is correct. X square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Ax square plus b, a is 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 2. You write properly. Okay. Formula, x is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Find out b square minus 4ac. So b minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. 9 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 into one side. 9 plus 8, 17. Positive. Okay. So roots are real. Okay. Direct formula minus b, that is b is minus 3. So minus b is plus 3, right? Plus minus root 17 calculated upon 2 answer. 3 plus root 17 upon 2, 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Understood? If under root any rational factor comes, you have to take it out. Otherwise leave like this. 17 is the prime number only. You can't take anything out. Okay? कल समझ गए? We'll go ahead. Few sums I am giving for homework. Okay? Okay. Aren't these sums simple? So 3 sums I am giving you for homework. You try. If it goes wrong, you ask me. But you try. You should get the answer. Correct? Simple. A, B, C, right? B square minus 4ac find out. If it is negative, gone. Okay? Roots are not real. Leave the sum. Just writing. But no, all have roots. Clear cut. B square minus 4ac is positive for all the 3. And you will get. Write the formula. Just put values. Solve. Getting? Okay. One sum or sum I am solving. Y square plus 1/3 y equal to 2. That b value is coming 1/3. Many students get confused for this. So what my idea? Multiply each term by 3. So these 3 will automatically cut. 3 into y square, 3y square. 3 into 1/3, 3 cut, just y. 3 into 2 is 6, right? Shifting this side we want 0 RHS. 3y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, we'll take ABC. A is 3, B is 1, C is minus 6, right? B square minus 4 is C. 1 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 6. That is 12, 72. 1 plus 72 is 73. Prime number, no factorization possible. So minus 1 plus minus root 73 upon 2a, that is 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 1 plus minus root 73. Write with plus sign and minus sign 2 answers. Minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6 it is. Okay? Sorry. Understood? Very easy. Okay. We'll go ahead with the last sum I am going to solve because it is root sign. Okay? Sum of 2.4, it is just like homework, activity type. See the sum, x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 2 root 3, C equal to 3. Okay? So x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, we will find out b square minus 4ac. 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a into 3. 12. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So this part is only 0. So answer is minus b upon 2a. So minus b upon 2a minus 2 root 3 upon 2 into 1. Bus minus root 3. Only answer minus root 3 minus root 3. Roots are real and equal. Because b square minus 4ac is 0. So roots are real and equal. Only one root minus root 3 minus root 3. Understood? Answer? Okay. end of 2.4. Next video we will go for 2.5. So if you like this, give like, subscribe, press the bell icon for new videos. Okay, you can ask me your doubts, which practice you want. More practice we will do. I will take your live lectures, but do study hard. You want to score high, work hard. Okay, chalo.